Hello again, everybody. Welcome back to JBADV. Please enjoy this little teaser video of me doing this little mountain climb here all the way to the top of one of my favorite views in my local area. The mic had cut out on me. This was the first trail ride where I figured out my microphone was broken before I decided to fix it. So enjoy this little ride with some gentle music in the background. You'll see in spots that I slowed down, and that's for the people and the dogs. I didn't want to disrupt anybody, and I wanted to take it a little easy around them because you never know what a dog can do. So ignore my hands in here because I have no idea what I was talking about at this moment in time. And we'll be back soon with some more trail rides. You guys know I want to do some more trail rides so badly. So enjoy all the rocks here that I have to maneuver my way over and some of this slop here, and I'll see you guys soon.